Acting Chief Medical Officer Dr. Francis Martin says the way to succeed over COVID-19 is adhering to the protective guidelines as set out by government. The health officials are now into a new level of COVID-19 response.
We're in gear number 5, and that is TTT. Test, track, and treat. We got to get people tested. We got to track what they're doing and treat the circumstances that we find out. So this is where the investigations that Dr. Charles has said, the investigation is going to be gone into high gear as we try to test as much as we can, track those we need to track, and treat those.
In a virtual interview with GBN on Wednesdays to the Point with host Blossom Alexis Welsh, Dr. Martin called on Grenadians to stop asking for additional days to satisfy their comfort. He says that more days can put a country's COVID-19 response back to square one.
And the reason they ask for days is people don't want to make the sacrifices that they need to stay at home. This is an opportunity for your backyard gardening, so you don't need, yes, I know we need the farmers, but it's an opportunity for you to bunker down and find ways to function within yourself. Stop asking for more days. We're going to do the best we can to give access as we can, but the health of the nation must be our first priority, and the decision, we have to take that as our first priority.
As it relates to recovered patients of COVID-19, Dr. Martin is encouraging Grenadians to refrain from discriminating against these individuals when they return to their communities.
Let's not refuse to look at the psychological impact it can have on them and how society we're going to accept them. These are people who've gone through an infection and will become well. And for all intents and purposes, will have the ability to rejoin society with no problems. I just hope that we as a people are going to not continue the stigma and discrimination against people of that nature.
Cherry and Blackman Stephen, GBN News.